teasing the new RDX as a thinly veiled concept at January's North American International Auto Show. Acura will unveil a production version of the SUV on March 28 at the New York Auto Show. The premiere will include showing a sporty A-Spec variant of the stylish vehicle. The new, third-generation RDX will take a page out of the original model by returning to turbocharged power. The SUV will use a 2.0-liter turbo four-cylinder, and it'll pair with a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Power will route to the latest version of the super-handling all-wheel drive system, and the integrated dynamic system will allow drivers to pick from settings for customizing how the vehicle feels from behind the wheel. Acura claims that the new RDX is the launching point for its new design language. Based on the concept, the SUV will feature crisp, angular styling. Inside, the model will likely have a high-tech center stack with a wide infotainment screen on top and prominent controls in the center. A mix of leather, wood, metal, and piano black trim would provide occupants with a luxurious cabin. The RDX prototype featured a 2.5-inch longer wheelbase and 1.2-inch wider track than the existing model. The larger dimensions likely appear on the production version, too. The tweaks should translate into more room for passengers and cargo inside the SUV. The A-Spec variant teased in this new image has stylish upgrades like gunmetal, 5-spoke wheels. Gloss black trim also adorns the front bumper. Presumably, the shiny material shows up elsewhere, too. The new RDX will go on sale in mid-2018. More details about pricing and packages will arrive closer to launch. Acura will assemble the SUV at its plant in East Liberty, Ohio, and the engines will come from Anna, Ohio.